ISO Automotive SAE 21434 Training, Road Vehicles Cybersecurity Engineering, powered by Tonix.com. Let's see the highlights. What is ISO 21434? Value in road vehicles cybersecurity. Considering essential points. Security risk assessment. Implementing ISO 21434. Learning road vehicles cybersecurity. Recommended professionals. Workshop and case studies.
ISO SAE 21434. Securing the systematic development of safe vehicles. This is a key piece of the cybersecurity puzzle. ISO 21434 Road Vehicles Cybersecurity Engineering is an automotive standard currently under development. It focuses on the cybersecurity risk in road vehicle electronic systems.
ISO 21434 is important because with the increase in connectivity in vehicles and the development of autonomous cars, the risks of cyber attack and subsequent damage also increase. Although most authorities in cybersecurity believe the current safety critical standards are not sufficient to cover this type of risk.
This is why manufacturers need considering essential points like identification of assets and potential damage resulting from a breach of security features, identification and analysis of possible threats, attacks and vulnerabilities, determination of risk levels based on damage scenarios and the probability of successful attacks. Take countermeasures until the remaining risk is acceptable. Documentation of the important steps and results of the risk assessment process, such as asset lists, damage scenarios, attack reports or risk reports.
ISO Training Workshop Course by Tonix. A 3-day course covering requirements for cybersecurity risk management regarding engineering for concept, analysis development, production, operation, maintenance, and more. Sign up for training. Become certified. Visit www.tonix.com.